Keeping your course content current shouldn't mean rebuilding your course or tracking down a new ISBN every time content changes. With McGraw-Hill's Evergreen delivery model in McGraw-Hill Connect, you don't need to get a new ISBN or rebuild your course in order to use the latest content. Updates flow directly to your existing courses, so you can stay current without the extra work. Evergreen uses a release-centered approach that seamlessly brings new and updated content, tools, and accessibility improvements into Connect. Between releases, which include changes to both the narrative and digital content of the course, digital updates introduce new learning activities, helping keep your course content current and relevant in today's rapidly changing environment. Before a new release becomes available, notifications appear on your My Courses page and within your section. These alerts help you stay informed and prepare ahead of time. The Release Details section provides the information and resources you need to make the most of the latest release and any digital updates. Release notes clearly outline updates to the digital learning resources and the ebook, so you can quickly see what's changing and new activities to assign. Before the release goes live, Release Preview gives you early access to explore what's coming. You can review updates to the ebook, SmartBook, adaptive learning assignments, or the question bank. This preview experience helps you plan for how new content fits into your course before you adopt the release. When you're ready to move to the latest release, updating is simple. When duplicating your existing course, you can choose to accept the newest release, and updates are automatically applied to your course. You can easily see where question bank assignments have been updated, or where questions may have been removed and why. If needed, you can quickly edit assignments to add replacement questions or adjust point totals. Filters in the question bank highlight new and updated questions, making it easy to find the most current material for your students. Connect also includes built-in support resources whenever you need assistance. In addition to self-service help tools, McGraw-Hill provides personalized support through implementation teams and customer success consultants who can help with course setup, updates, and release information. With Evergreen, keeping your course current, relevant, and engaging is simple, so you can spend less time managing updates and more time on teaching.